Assalamu alaikum. Hello, how are you doing? It's Murad Sultan's video again with you. Learners, how are you first? How are you doing? Today you are going to learn, let's say, new methods, okay, from Murad Sultan's video, okay, HSM, okay, and through this method you will learn new things, okay, new techniques, new strategies, okay, new procedures, and so on. Okay, so let's start. I'll just share my screen. Today we are going to solve polynomial to the power 4, okay, using the discriminant formula of Murad Sultan Zwidi HSM. And this formula is called discriminant formula. Okay, it's very important for you learners to start working with it, okay. And you will, let's say, you will, let's say, be familiar with the polynomial to the power n, okay. Just I will share this one with one my friend. Okay. So we told that. Okay, Mr. Habib. Okay, Mr. Habib, the editor. Okay. I already listened this to him. So therefore, again, how are you? How are you doing? I wish that you are okay and you are fine. Okay. So today we told that we will solve pulling to the power 4. Okay, raised to the power 4 means the highest power of this polynomial is 4. Okay, and let's say, shall we start? Yes, of course. I will start, learners. Okay, our lesson is that. Okay, here our polynomial to the power 5. We already explained this, and okay, I will make like that. This one I put it up. Okay, like that. This one should be here, learners. Okay, like that. Okay, therefore we are going now to continue solving. So yesterday we show you the method. Okay, how can you solve polynomial to the power 4 by finding the value of all SR of ODQ relative to LR of ODQ. And we applied, let's say, the formula, the discriminant formula of Murad Sultan Swedi, okay, and we got our roots with no error estimation, means that there is no error estimation in my calculation, and also there is no approximation in the roots, okay. Therefore, learners, we just summarize. We told that, okay, we summarize, okay, take this and go, okay, okay, take this, okay, take this and go, hurry up, quick, okay. So we continue. We thought that we used this discriminant formula of Murad Sultan-Zwidi, and we figured out all the SR SP minus one of all the K, okay, and we let's say we found all the roots of the polynomial to the power 4. Okay, this is what we did this day. Today we are going to do a new polynomial. Okay, and before forgetting, we thought that the roots of this polynomial, learners, is written as alpha k belongs to 0, 1, 3, 4. Okay, because for roots, okay, equals 6 between parentheses, 6 times 1 plus exponential 2k plus 1 pi over 5. Okay, meaning that here, learners, you see this one, yes, 6, the roots of this polynomial to the power 4, okay, is 6 plus 6 exponential 2k plus 1 pi over 5. Okay. Okay, and now, learners, we will proceed. Okay, we will proceed. Okay, means that we are going to focus on the new polynomial now. Okay, every one of you is ready for solving this polynomial at the same time. Now, Murad Zwidi Sultan, he shows you the method. Okay, and this method is very important, and it's generalized. Okay, whatsoever the power of the problem you can solve. Okay, don't tell we cannot. Let's say can't do that because everything now is with you. Just be familiar or be are sitting closer to the formula, discriminant formula, and to the polynomial, and you will get your roots immediately. Okay. Now, learners, the question is that this is our question. Okay. I'll just change this. Is it possible? Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, this is no need. Okay. Okay. Just a moment. I want to repair this. Yes, like that. Yes. Okay, this one should be bigger. Yes. Okay. So now we continue. We thought that learners. Okay. Question example three. Example three learners. We go down. Okay. Example three. Okay. This is what we did last night. Okay. Here you can see that we extended the polynomial to the power 5. We got the new polynomial and we find the value of SR. And that we solve the question perfectly. Now, question number three learns is that, okay, our polynomial is that you can see that p of x equal x raised to the power 4 minus 5x plus 10x squared minus 1250x uh, plus 1 million 1,000,000, okay, 553,881 equals 0. Therefore, I can label L0, L1, L2, L3, or 4 DQ. Okay, the corresponding value that is written here in the original polynomial means that L0 is 5, L1 is 10, L2 is 1,250, and L3 is 1,500. 53,881. Okay. Now, learners, to focus on this point, you are involved to find the value of SR of the Q relative to let's say LR for the Q. Of course, R is belonging to the set of numbers from minus 1 to 3 because this is the highest power is 4. Therefore, K minus 1 is 3. Okay. Now the coefficient is written down, okay, with blue color. Okay. Now we are going to use the discriminant formula of Morat's Transvili to find the value of S0, S1, S2, and 3. After that, we will let you preview uh, what will come next. Okay, because there are some steps we should follow them. Okay. Now, learners, this is the formula. I will share with you my calculator. Okay, this is the calculator. Good man. Mhm. Calculator Bismillah. Very good. Okay, very good. Excellent. Open. Okay, make it smaller. Yes. Okay. Therefore, learners, you can see that. Okay, you can see that. No. Okay, just now. So this is S0 when k equal 1. Okay. Let's say this is when k equals 0, so S minus 1 over I is 1. When k equals 1, we'll get S0 is 0. It's from 0 to 1, combination n minus R1 minus R and raised to the power R times minus L0 for the Q, 1 minus R times LR for the EQ, which is after distribution learns you will find this n minus n times L0 for the Q, which is 0. So in order to, let's say, apply this learners, we just make what? We make a negative combination was 4 choose 1 times 5, which is 20. negative 20 plus 4 times 5, which is 20. So this one, the value of this is 0 learners. Okay, so we'll just close this one. Let's close this one up. Okay, so we told that. Okay, now the next value we should find as 2 learners, at least as you got the formula of the discrete formula of Murad Sultan is yes, you can find S1. So S1 is from 0 to 2, combination n minus r, choose 2 minus r, and raised to the power r times, between parentheses, negative 0 for the q, raise it 2 minus r, and r minus 1 over the q. This one learns the combination and choose 2 times 0 for the q, raise it to the power 2 minus n, combination n minus 1, choose 1, and 0 for the q, raised to the power 1 times 0 for the q plus n squared L1. This formula S1 is generalized for any polynomial to the power n, okay? Meaning that if you are going to work with a polynomial to the power 10, you should find S1 like that, like the distributed formula is that, okay? We just substitute 0 with its own value, L1 with its own value, and L1, L0, sorry, which with its own value, and the n is 10, for example, okay, we obtain a new value of S2. Therefore, you can note that L0 for the Q is a common factor. We are going to simplify this one, which is a combination n choose 2 minus n, combination minus 1 choose 1, which is equal to negative combination C2 4. Okay, so therefore, well, yes, this one, my combination 1 choose 1, okay. Why here negative sign? Because the number is odd. Okay, this is secret in the formula. Times combination n choose 2 times 0 for the q squared plus n squared and 1 over the q. Okay, okay. So this one we just apply the formula, learners. Okay, it will be exactly that. Okay, Ayub. So it will be negative. So 6, negative 6 times learners 25 plus 16 plus 16 times 10. This one should be equal to 10. Therefore, I'll just continue. So S1 is 10. We move to S2. To find S2, we just put our set K equal 3 in order to evaluate the value of S2 over the R is the sum from 0 uh, to 3, combination n minus r, 3 minus r, n raised to the power r, between parentheses, negative L0 for the q raised to the power 3 minus r times LR minus 1 over the q. After calculation and substituting or replacing r with a 0, 1, 2, 3, you will get the following. So when r equals 0, we will get negative combination and choose 0 for the q raised to the power 3. When r equals 1, you will get plus n combination n minus 1 choose 2, 0 for the q raised to the power 2 times L0 for the q. When r equal 2 learners, you will get minus, okay, combination n minus 2 choose 1 times n squared, L0 for the q raised to the power 2, 1 L1 for the q. And when r equal 3, you can note this one, we will get n cubed, okay. This one negative L0 for the q, 3 minus 3 is 0, so negative L0 for the q raised to the power 0 is 1. You just take the last term, which is 3 minus 1 gives you L2 for the q. Now, learners, after simplifying and making L0 for the q raised to the power 3 as a common factor, k of this term and this term, you will get that is equal to combination C1, C2 choose 1, which is 2 here, okay, which is 2 learners, multiply by n choose 3, okay, 0 for the q raised to the power 3 minus combination n minus 1 choose 1 and squared L0 for the q raised to the power 1 times L1 of all the q plus n cubed multiplied by L2 of all the q. This one is obtained, learners, when you substitute or replace r with 0, then r with 1, then r with 2, then r with 3. You will get the last one. This one is 2 equal combination 2 choose 1, combination n choose 3, L0 for the q 3 minus combination n minus 2, which was 1, n squared, L0 for the cube, times L1, plus n cubed, L2. This one, learners, if you want to work with prime to the power 3, you will get this formula already ready for you, just calculation. So therefore, I'm going to calculate this in front of you, learners, and you'll see the value of that. Okay, knowing that these are the value of L0, L1, L2, and L3. Okay, I'll just now use combination to 1 is 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, I'll just write 8 times what, learners? Times 125 because 5 cubed. Okay, minus 4 times 4 squared. Sorry, minus here. It will be 4, isn't it? Okay, it will be 4. 4, this is 2. Okay, this is 2, learners. Okay, because 4, the highest number, the highest power is 4. 4 minus 2 gives 2. Then n squared means 4 squared times L0 means 5 times L1 means 10. Okay, therefore we told minus, learners, minus 2 times 16 is 32 times 5 times 10 is 50 because 2 multiplied by 4 squared 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. Then 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. Plus, learners, the cube of 4, which is 64, times, learners, 1250. So we get this value, which is 79. Yes, 79, Mr. Murad. 79, 400. I will check again. So this one, learners, we told 2 times 4 is 8 times 25. So 8 times 125 times 125. Then minus 2 times 16 is minus 32. Minus 32. Then times 5 times 10 is 50. Multiply by 50. Good man. Then plus 4 cubed is 64. Plus 64 times, learners, times 1250. This one will give you, yes, 79,400. Therefore, I will close this one. Okay, and okay, good man, continue. Now, learners, we want to find the value of S4. We are here to let you remember or to let you remind the discriminant formula of Murad Sultan Azwili. This one, when substituting or when replacing K with 4 and replacing R with 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 till you reach 4, it's called discriminant formula of Murad Sultan Azwili. Okay, therefore, this one is equal to combination and choose 4 L0 of odd q raised to the power 4 minus n combination n minus 1 choose 3 L0 of odd q raised to the power 3 times L0 of odd q plus combination n minus 2 choose 2 and squared L0 of odd q squared times L1 minus combination n minus 3 choose 1 and cubed L0 of odd q times L2 of odd q plus n raised to the power 4 times L0 of the L3 of odd q. You can now turn there is a common factor. I can simplify this. Or also you can ignore this step if you want, if you don't like to simplify, okay, to appear the L0 for the Q with the highest power. Okay, so this one is common factor. Just put to outside the parentheses and make let's say combination n choose 4 minus n cn minus 1 choose 3. This value or difference between the two combination, okay, is equal to negative combination 3 choose 1. Okay, so times combination n choose 4 times 0 for the q raised to the power 4. The rest, learners, will never change. It will be the same in the formula. I didn't change anything because you cannot simplify more. Okay, so therefore I will just use this last formula to calculate the value of yes, the value of S3, knowing that these are the coefficient 5, 10, 1,250, 1,553, 125. Of course, this is thousand, this is million, 1,553,000. 125. Therefore, learners, I'm going now to proceed and to calculate the value of this. Okay, which is that. Okay, okay. Now, learners, I will just proceed. Negative third, 4, 4, 5, 4. Okay, then 2, 2, 4 squared, 5. Okay, minus this one will be a combination 4 minus 3 is 1. That's why it's written 1, 1. 4 cubed, good man, plus 4 raised to the power 4 times the value. Okay, let's see, learners, now how to calculate it. So this one equal negative 3 times 625, negative 3 times 5 raised to the power 4, or 625 as you like, plus learners 16, because 4 squared, 16 times 25 times 10 means 250, then minus learners 64 times 5 times 1250, plus learn the last term, which is 256, because 4 raised to the power 4 times 1,553,881. This one will give you, let's say, okay, 378 million. Okay, 378 million. Yes, good man. So we'll give you exactly that. Okay, give you this value. It will be like that. Okay, 378,976,851. Okay, this is the value. Yeah, you close the door, you. So this is the value of S4. Now we proceed to continue. We got this is, I'll just change this by the last value. Okay, the last value. I'm sorry. Okay, now we told this is 378 million. Good man. 976,000. Okay, I'll just write this here. Okay, and we continue proceed. You can note this. You can also just a moment. Mhm. Okay, now we go back to S2 and figure out the answer. S2, 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 of S2 we calculated before is 79400. 79 is positive. Okay, is 7979400. Okay, 79. Yes, like that. 4. Also, you can calculate it. Okay. Now, learners, I'm going to extend my polynomial. Okay. I will just discuss this. What is it in blue after? Okay. Now, learners, I'm going to discuss the coming. Okay. Now, the original polynomial that we did, in fact, has the power 4, highest power 4. Now, I'm going to extend this. Means I will multiply the polynomial by x. I will obtain another polynomial to the power 5, but share with themselves the same root except 0. Okay, because in this one it's 0. Okay, it's a root, and raised to the power 5, sharing, let's say, the same roots except 0 for the original with the original polynomial. Therefore, you can note that here L3 plus L4. L4 is 0 in fact, but I'm going to wrote it. Okay, plus I will just write here as 4 here. Okay, and there is a negative sign. Okay, because it's, sorry, like that. Yes. Okay, now L0 for the L0 4 of all Q is 0 out. That's why it's set to 4. It's set to 0. Therefore, you can now work with the new polynomial to the power 5. Okay, and guess the value of S S1, S2, S3, S4. Okay, you can see that this is polynomial with highest power 5 learners. Okay, 5. Okay, to find the roots of this polynomial, we should determine learners the value of SR. The value of SR has to be different to the value of SR including to the power 4. Okay, means that never be equal like that. But in fact, there is a relationship between them. We'll appear this after when telling that L0 of xk from 0 to 4 over 5 equal L0 of ODQ plus yk from 0 to 3 over 4 means that this relationship will give you the roots of this polynomial using 10 to the power 5. Okay, now we continue. We told that this is the coefficient of the point to the power 5, 10, 12, 50, 155, 388, 1. Okay, means 1,553,881. And L0 Q of L0 4 of the Q is 0 here, okay? Because we extend the power of the polynomial with the highest power 4, so the last term should be equal to 0. Now we continue. We'll use the formula of this common formula of Murad Sultan Zwili to figure out S1, S2, S3, S4, and to figure out these values, you should set as k equals 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay. Now we continue just here the formula, just distribution or replacing r k with 1, you will get s of 0, and replacing r with 0, 1 up to 1, you will get the last term, which is n minus n times 0 for q, which is in fact 0. Okay, means the s0, whatever you use, the degree of your polynomial has to be equal to 0. Okay, no discussion about that. Now we are going to figure out now the values learners of the values of S0 is 0 class. Now we should put now k equal 2, okay, to find S1. Of course, to set or put k equal 2, we'll get S1. S1 is obtained from the discrement formula of Murad Sultan Zwili that we told that is here, okay. Just now to find the value to express or to expand or to write or to simplify more, you just replace r with 0, then with the 1, then 1 L0 for the q squared plus L squared L1. This one, it's called, let's say, the formula of the discrete formula of Murad when k equal 2. Okay. So therefore, this one should be equal to negative combination 1 choose 1. You can ignore this step. You make just minus combination and choose 2 and 0 for GQ plus n squared L1. This one is the opposite to the quadratic formula that you already know about it. But the formula has to be equal to minus this one, okay? Because you have more values, not S1 only. You have S1, S2, S3, S4. Okay, so just calculation, you will get negative 10 times 625, okay, plus 5 squared times, I'll just check this one. This one learns equal negative 10 times, why here 25? This is 5 only, because L0 for the Q is 5. So it will be negative, okay, 250 plus 5 squared times 10 is plus, okay, I will just write like that, equal negative 250 plus 250, which is equal to 0. Okay, therefore, we proceed learners. We found the value of S1 is 0. Now S2. To find the S2 learners, just replace K with 3. Okay, this is K. 3 minus 1 is 2. And to simplify this, close the door, Yaqib. To simplify this, you should replace R with 0, then R with 1, then R with 2, then with 3. You will get as the following negative combination and choose 3 and 0 for raised to the power 3 when R equals 0 plus NCN minus 1, choose 2 and 0 for the 2 times 0 for the q squared when R equal 1 minus combination and minus 2, choose 1 and squared as 0 for the q times raised to the power, of course, times L1 for the q when r equal 2 plus n qubit, okay, times L2 for the q when r equal 3. Therefore, you just figure out the common factor between the first two terms. You will put outside the brackets, and you should calculate this. The sum of the difference between these two combination will give you exactly combination 2 choose 1 or just 2. Okay, combination n choose 3 and 0 for the cube raised to the power 3 minus combination n minus 2 choose 1 n squared and 0 for the cube raised to the power times n1 plus n cubed times L2. Okay, just calculation learners here. So I'll just write, I will use my calculator and figure out the value of S2. We summarize, we got S1 equals 0, S0 equals 0, except S minus 1 is 1, okay, by convention, okay. Now we'll check S2, the value of S2, okay. Therefore, okay, I'll just write combination 2 choose 1 is 2 times 10, okay. Combination of 5 choose 3 is 20 divided by 2 gives 10, so it will be 20. I write 20 times 5 cubed is 125 minus learners combination choose 3 choose 1 is 3 times 5 squared times 5 is 125 times learners 10, okay, plus 5 cubed is 125 times 1250, like that. So this one learners is equal to 0. Okay, just a moment. I'll guess again. Okay, I'll check this coefficient. We told 2 times 3, good man. The last piece of it, 2 times 10. Okay, I'll see. Okay, so I continue learns. Okay, not from the headphone. Okay, so therefore, we told that. Okay, we told that. Wait, what is my calculator? I'll check this one. We told 10 times 2 times 100 times 125, then minus 3 times 125 times 10. Okay, equal. Okay. Equal, Mr. Murad, this divided by 1.5. I will obtain, yes, negative. This is 10. Okay, this is 10 learners. Okay, this is 10, yes. Okay, therefore this one equal to 0. It's clear now. Okay, so this coefficient learners is 10 exactly. Okay, then we continue. I will just go back to the example and change 2 by 10. Okay, now we move to the, if we are going to use this formula of Murat Sultan Zuli to find S4, S3, sorry, S3 we calculated. S3 we calculated, sure. Okay, this is 10, of course. Okay, now we move to this one, and this one I should find the value of L3. Okay, this is Mr. Murad is 10. Okay, okay, now we will use calculator. It will be learners negative 3 times 5, negative 15, times 625, 625, plus 3 times, so 625 times 625, then times 10 minus 2 times learners times 10 times 625, 625 times 10 equal, okay, I should divide this by 5 raised to the power 4 to get the new, okay, it will be negative. So this one learners is 5, okay. Okay, good man. Then therefore this one is 5. Okay, now we continue. So this one, of course, is told is 5. I will close this. Okay. Now we continue finding the value of S4. To find S4, you should put K equal 5. We obtain the following formula. This is from the Amrath times V. And when you're replacing R with 0, we get this one. R equal 1, we get this one. R equal 2, R equal 3, and R equal 5, and 4 and 5. Means this one raised to the power 5 times L4. Therefore, we can simplify this and that. We'll obtain the last formula, which is combination for choose 1 times combination and choose 5. Now the n is 5, this one is 1. This is 5 minus 3, this is 1. This is 1, this is 1. Okay, I will just use the formula and calculate. This is without it's 5. Okay, 5 Mr. Murad. And this one also without it's 7 from the beginning. Okay, I'll just erase this one. Okay, now we calculate this as soon as possible and we will figure out the value of it. Okay. Okay. Therefore, I will obtain negative 5 cube, 5 raised to the power 5, simply because negative choose the combination 3 choose 3 is negative 1, times 5 squared, 5, 3. Okay, 5 to the power 5 times 10 plus 5 also raised to the power 5. Okay. Okay, Mr. Murad. Okay. Okay, Mr. Murad. Okay. 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 We continue with alt. Plus 5. Okay, times 10. Okay, now times 10. Times 10. Minus 5 raised to the power 5. 5 raised to the power 5. Multiply by 5. This one. Okay. By 5. Multiply by 5. This one plus 5 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 0. This is not going to write it. It's 0 equal. So this one equal learners 4, 4, 6, 8, 7, 5. Okay. Again. 4, 6, 8, 7, 5. Okay. Therefore, I got this one. Now I will close this. So all the value here, of course, my own polynomial is that. This is told is minus 10. And this one is 5. Okay, is 5. Okay. Therefore, I will now find out the value of S4. This one comes down if it is possible. What is it? Okay, like that. Now learn this is we told S4 all the value of S0, S1, S2, S3 are a no. Now just write 4, 6, 8, 7, 5. Okay. So to solve my original polynomial to the power 4, I extended my polynomial to the power 5 and I got a 0 equal S1 equal S2 equal S3 equal 0, only except S4. Therefore, I will write x4, x5 minus S4 of 42 equals 0 means learners x5 equal x4, S4 of 42, or x5 equal S4 of 42 exponential to k pi. This is always 1, okay? Therefore, in order to find xk from 0 to 4, you should think of the fifth root of this value. I will just write ik like that, exponential, S4 of 42 times 2 exponential to a chi pi equal fifth root of k. This one I can erase it, or I will let's say sort out exponential to a chi pi. Then I should divide by 5. It will be like that, learners. Fifth root of S4q exponential to k I pi over 5. Therefore, you can note that this one is positive. This 4 is positive k. I will just write now 4, write it here. 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 7, 5. Okay, good man. No, sorry. Okay, okay. Now, without adding one, because there is no negative sign, I'll just put this here, learners. Okay. I will told without, I will subtract the one or ignore the one because it is no negative as 4. Therefore, 5, this one, no need. Now, as this is, I will use, I will check exponential, this one raised to the power, 1 between parentheses, 1 divided by 5. And you will check 1 we told divided by 5. Close the parentheses, it will be approximately, again, we told okay, okay, I'll check here, 5, okay, 5, okay, I'll make 625 multiplied by 5. What is the answer? Multiply by 5. What is the answer? Multiply by 5. Okay, I keep it. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, hold on. I will just continue doing this. Therefore, I will make, mhm. So this one I will use it, or I will make like that, or I will go down, okay, like that, till it's clear with me now. Okay, now this one I will change it. We told that this one from here. There is no 5 here. Okay, exponential only 2k without the 1. So it will be okay. I will check now. Okay, now I will make 46875 divided by 5 raised to the power 5. Okay, this one equal 15. Good man. So now it will be, this is 5. Okay, this is 15. Okay, how good man. Now, so the last answer is that. Okay, now we finish, let's say, the value of the polynomial to the power 5, which are 1 plus 5, fifth root of 15, times exponential 2k only here, right? Okay, these are, the last one is the root of my last polynomial to the power 5. Okay, I got all the s equals 0 expected s4. Okay, therefore, learners, now I'll just suppose that, or I will show you the relationship between polynomial to the power 4 and polynomial to the power 5. If it is a polynomial to the power 5, the beta or alpha is a 0 for the cube plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus 1 of this value equal a 0 for the cube plus y1, y2, y3, y0, y1, y2, y3 means L0 for the cube plus 1 of the film value over 4. Therefore, if you want to make cross multiply, you will get 5L0 and here 4L0 and here 5y and here 4x. Therefore, yk equal as the formula, this one is negative L0 for the cube plus 4xk. Of course, k belongs to 0 up to 4 over 5. Now I will use the last one, which is 5 by 5 is 20 times what? Times what we told just, but I should ignore the one here because it's not negative. I will use this, okay? Mhm. Okay, I will use this, or I will take all of this because I need it, okay? Mhm. Copy, okay. Now, we see this one, we told that xk equal fifth root of 64,065 exponential 2ki pi. These are the roots of this polynomial. But the roots of the original polynomial is that 0 to 4. Okay? From which is that. Okay? This is root of polynomial to the power. Okay. Sorry, here I will change this one. We told this is 10, Mr. Murad. Okay. This is 5, Mr. Murad. Okay. Okay. Sorry. This is we told Mr. Murad is 5. Okay. This is 10. Okay. This is okay. This is we told 5, 10. 10 also. This is 5. Okay. Go back. Okay. Okay. Yes. We told that. I will make here. Okay. We told that learners the value now. I'm going to clarify this for you. Okay. This one is that 20 exponential 2k base. Okay. This one learners is that. Okay. Divide by 5. So it will be. mhm, Okay. 4k. This is of course to be right here. Right here. This is okay. So it will be 1 plus. And there is this. Okay. Plus 5 here. I will write 5. And now inside I will write 15. Okay. Then, therefore, I will erase now this one plus this one on it. Okay. Okay. Now what comes here? So this is the relationship between polynomial to the power 4 and 5. We told that 0 for the cube plus xk from 0 to 4 over 5 equals 0 for the cube plus yk from 0 to 3 over 4. Then cross multiplying. Okay, uh, you will find the value of yk from 0 to 3 equal negative 0 for the cube plus 4xk 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 over 5. So the formula will be like that. Therefore, this is therefore, Mr. Murad, sorry again. So this one equal means that or implies that yk from 0 to 3 is negative 0 for the cube, yes, plus we did it, it will be okay 4 multiply okay 4, this is 4, Mr. Murad. Okay, 4 only. Then I will erase this. Okay, or this one learners we told that is 5, 5 raised to the power 6 times 15. 5 to the power 5 raised to the power 15. So I will just write here 5 times 4 is 20. Then this is 15. 15 only. Okay. So divide by divide by 5. It will be minus 20. Okay. This is 4. Okay. 5. Okay. Alpha k equal and 0 for the cube plus this one plus this one. Okay. plus this one. Okay, so 4 and 4, yes, 4 and 4 خلاص it's cancelled out from the beginning. Therefore, there is no 4 here. Okay, Samara, because we told that is simplified from the beginning. 4 and here 25 by 4. 4, 20 by 5. That's why we appeared here 5. Therefore, I'll just write 5, 15. This one, the 5, this one will be cancelled out. خلاص. So the roots of my poem to the power 4 is that. Okay, is that. And we should ignore which point. Okay, I am. I wish that's clear for you learners. Okay. Mhm. I will use my calculator with all that. Okay. Yes. 15. Yes, correct. Means that 15 times 5 raised to the power 5 is equal to. Yes, correct. Therefore, this is 15. 1 0, it will be 1 plus cube root of 15. Okay. Okay. This is the 0 of. Okay. Okay, thank you for listening. Now I'm going to go back down, sorry. Okay, to check S4, again. S4, Mr. Murad. No, comes here. Yeah, forget something. Yes. We told that this is 10. This is also 10. This is 5. Okay. Then comes here. This is, of course, I can take it from the paste code. Here. Then we are going to calculate. Okay. Like that. Don't leave learns. I'm here with you. Okay, Mr. Murad. Okay. Then this is 10. This is also minus 10. This is 5 learns. Okay, the problem that I got it. Okay, I wrote it. Now I should calculate check S1, S2. S1 or S2? Yes. S1, S2, S1. Okay, yes. S1 will change. Should change this. This is 5. Okay, 10. Okay, now I will use my calculator. I will calculate this. We have 8 times 125 minus 1632 times 50 plus 125 times learners what times 5. So this one equals 25. Okay, this is 25. Erase all of this, close this. Okay, S1 خلاص. Now move to S2. This is learners we told I thought that is 5. Calculated before. This is 10. Okay, this is 10. I will calculate the value of this. So it will be, okay, we have 3, negative 3 times 625 plus 16 times 16, okay, times 16 times 250 minus 64 times 50. 5 by 10, 50 plus 600, 256 times 5 equal 205. This one is 205, correct? Okay. Now learners, S3, S2, okay, S2, S3, S3, yes, S2. Okay, did we calculate S2? Where is S2? Okay, S2. Okay, well S1. Okay, so 10, 25, 10, 25, 205, 10, 25, 205, 10, 25, 10, 25, 10, 25, 205. Okay, 205. Okay, therefore, this is the polynomial. Okay, it's clear now. Okay, 205 divided 15 divided by 15 divide. Okay, 13.6. Okay. So long as we finish the work, okay. I thought that is okay. I wish like the explanation was clear for you, but I'm going to told to check the last one. S4 only. S4 I will check it. I want to check it. This is we told 5. Yes, I didn't do it. This is 5. Okay, 5 S2. Okay, 5 correct. 5. This one 5. Yes, this is 10. Okay, and this is 5. Okay, now let's check again calculation of this. Okay, I will do okay. Can calculator calculator Mr. Murad. We have okay 4 times 500. You can see that 500 5 to the power 5 repeated common factor put outside the brackets. So 5 to the power 5. Okay, between parentheses I will make 4 minus 10 plus 10 minus 5 plus 0. Okay, plus 0. I close the parentheses now. This one equal negative. Okay, how come equal negative? Okay, equal negative 3,125. Okay, I will check now. Okay, let's check again on the points. We have 4 times 500, 5 raised to the power 5. I'll put there my daughter. Minus 5 to the power 5 times 10 plus 5 to the power 5 times 10. Okay, minus 5 raised to the power 6. Okay, equal. Yes, so you see sometimes the artificial intelligence can let's say change your calculation because it's calculation. Okay, by the way, I'm very intelligent more than AI. Okay, so this is negative 3,125. Negative. I will come here. This one should be changed learns. Okay, this is negative 3,125. Okay. Okay, so of course here, as this one changed, I should change this one. This is learn is negative. negative 3125. Okay, this is negative. So the negative sign I'll put as I pi. Clear? I'll just write 3125. Then I will add here the 1 plus 1. Okay. Then here also I'll make. Okay, this is the formula as it is now, no problem. We continue. Now we'll guess this one, learners. Okay, raised to the power 0.2. Raised to the power 0.2, Mr. Muad, yes. It will be, okay, 5. Mm, it will be 5. Okay, just a moment. 3125 divided by 5 cubed. 5 to the power 5. 1. Okay, correct. Therefore, this one plus, I will just write it as that. It will be 5 out. Okay, and this one, no need, because it gives you 1. Okay, 2k plus 1 learners. Okay, I will delete this one. Okay, 2k plus 1. Then, okay, we continue. It will be 5. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, correct? Exponential only. 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1. Okay, so I am. So this is the roots. I will take this, only this one, and I will go back. This is Mr. Murad. We told we changed it. I don't know why it doesn't save it. Okay. So I already changed learns. But okay. So we told this is roots is that is 5 is okay. Divide by 5. Yes, it will be 1 only. Yes, like that. Okay, yeah, 5. So this is 5. 5. Okay. Mm-hmm. It is by 20. 4, 5, 20. 20, yes. Okay. This one, this is, it will be 3, 1 to 5. Okay. This one also. Okay, okay. We will do some change. We finished it, I thought. Okay. Divided by, we told alpha. Okay. 4 and 4 comes. Okay. It remains at 0 plus 0 is 5. Here at 0 is 5. And this one root to be 5. Okay. Of course, here 2k plus 1 learns 2k. 2k plus 1. Close the parentheses. Okay, I will do this first. No, without plus 1. Without plus 1. Without plus 1, yes. Okay. Then this one, it will be learns here 20. This is comes 20. This is 20, so this one is 5. Okay, this is no need. This is 2k plus 1. Okay, So خلاص, this one I will erase this. Okay, but I should go back to the last part. Last part, Mr. Murad. This one, let's focus on this. Where is my cafe? I told that. So beta 5 plus 5 exponential, correct, means 1. I 1 over 5 is 1 خلاص. Why do you like that, Mr. Murad? Okay, خلاص, this one is 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 5 only. Okay, okay, خلاص, the last one I got it. Uh-huh. Okay, continue. Correct. So it's a hard work, learners. I wish that you got the point. How can you work with this polynomial to the power 4? Okay, that obliged you to think of also polynomial to the power 5, and by extending the power of just, you will have a relationship between the zero is that. Okay, and therefore we told you, okay, 5, this is 1, learners. Oh, no need, I will just like this. Of course, now it's 2k plus 1 because negative. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, okay, 20. This is can be written 20 plus 20. That's why it will be cancelled out. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you for listening. I will just save this. I love you so much. Okay, this is it's a part of my work, my research in mathematics. I wish that you got the point from this. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and encourage your researcher. Okay, to let his research, let's say, spread out. Okay, thank you and goodbye. Okay, 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 okay. Now I will close this. Close this Murat. Now I will end the stream. Okay, your stream will be immediately stop. Okay, and you will only be like, okay.